Enter our domain to visit our website. Home. You can get a quick overview of our brand, services, culture and team. News Center. Keep up to date with our latest and past dynamic news. About us. Learn about our brand story, brand positioning and values. Core Advantage. Our core brand values, high-quality products and services. Download Center. You can download our help documentation here. Catalogue. Our online catalog. You can search our hot new stock products. Search our supported models by region. It is also feasible to search by ON number model system classification. Contact us. Feel free to contact us to learn more.